You're hanging out with the Joint Force crew, and today we're joined by Colonel Pat Dagon. He's the District Commander for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Europe District, as well as Ms. Jen Regel. She's the Regional Program Manager for the U.S. Air Force Military Design and Construction Program for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Europe District. All right, so I'm super curious to learn what kind of jobs and positions do engineers have in the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers?
We have a lot of different engineers. We have mechanical, civil, electrical, fire protection, but we don't only have engineers. We also have architects, environmental scientists, biologists, contract specialists, real estate specialists, and accountants, just to name a few. After gaining experience in any of these disciplines, some of our team members can choose to apply those expertise in project and program management. USACE was established in 16 June 1775. Since then, Army engineers have played crucial roles in the growth of our young republic as explorers, surveyors, and map makers opening the American West, designers and constructions of the U.S. Capitol Dome, the Washington Monument, the Library of Congress, and the Pentagon. Throughout much of the 1930s and 1960s, USACE built infrastructure still in use today, including the Panama Canal, the Kennedy Space Center, and dams and hydropower plants at our lakes. We've always provided engineering solutions for the nation's toughest challenges.
I'm also curious to learn what kinds of projects does the Corps of Engineers work on here in Europe and Africa?
Yes, we work on such a wide variety of projects. Even just looking right now, I sit at Ramstein Air Force Base. So at Ramstein, for example, we are just finishing up a new temporary lodging facility for our airmen. We completed a dorm that houses 192 airmen. We completed a building to house C-130J flight simulator. We've worked on hangars. We have completed state-of-the-art swimming facilities, not to mention very large hospital project going on next door. Across Europe in Spingdalum, we're doing a new dental clinic, and we just finished up a new fuel line for DLA. We have a wide variety of stakeholders that come to us to help us solve their infrastructure issues and complete their mission, which is pretty exciting. We complete everything for them. We will complete planning phases and site visits. We help with technical engineering issues, project management, program management. We oversee the design. We oversee construction, all of the above. I'm very excited about my position because I get to see a little bit of all of it. The cradle-to-grave oversight of this type of a program it has such a huge impact. We also like to partner with our host nations to get these projects done. It's one of the most interesting parts of the work here in Europe. And, sir, maybe you can speak a little bit more to this, specifically also in Africa and some of the larger programs that we're working.
Okay, thank you, Jen. In Africa, a lot of our projects are smaller dollar value, but no less impactful humanitarian assistance projects that include clinics, schools, airfields. We're also supporting the Department of State, the embassy in Nigeria, with one of their foreign military sales programs. We're building infrastructure to support the A-29 that's being fielded to the Nigerian Air Force.
All these sound like incredibly positive changes that are happening. Can you speak a little bit about the impact these changes have on service members and the communities they're in?
Yes, that's potentially my favorite part. The programs we work on with our partners throughout the region benefit our service members, our civilians, their family members, our partners, and our allies. Projects such as modern and renovated facilities for the warfighter, 21st century schools for our next generation, garrison support facilities for our families, and a replacement hospital at Rhine Ordnance Barracks for our sick and wounded are just a few of our projects that we're really excited to deliver.
Great information. Thank you so very much. Again, that was Colonel Pat Dagon. He is the District Commander for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Europe District, as well as Ms. Jen Regel. She's the Regional Program Manager for the U.S. Air Force Military Design and Construction Program for the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Europe District. You're listening to the Joint Force on AFN the Eagle, serving America's best.